Namaste. Welcome to First PU Maths online class. From today onwards, we will study another chapter, that is trigonometric functions. Okay, here this is very important chapter. Trigonometry very important chapter. ಸುಮಾರು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಗಳು ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಮೇಕ್ ಎ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್, ಒಂದು ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬುಕ್ಕಿನ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆದ್ರೂ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ನೀವು ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರುವಾಗ, ಅಥವಾ ಒಂದು ಶೀಟಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೂ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು. ಬಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಒಂದು. ಓಕೆ, ಟ್ರಿಗನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್. ಇನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಅರ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ 10th ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಟ್ರಿಗನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ಸ್ ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ರೀಕಾಲ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್. What is the meaning of trigonometry? Trigonometry means, here the word trigonometry is derived from two words, that is trigon and metron. Here trigon and metron, that means it is the measuring the trigonometry means it is measuring the sides of triangle. Here trigonometry is one branch of mathematics which deals with the study of measurement of angles or measurement of sides of triangles. Okay, here under that what you have studied? Trigonometry alli trigonometric functions, correct? Trigonometric functions kaltidiri, or trigonometric ratios, standard angles kelavu, correct? Omme recall maduva. Here trigonometric functions or trigonometric ratios, we are defining that with reference to right angle triangle. Here right angle triangle, this is one right angle triangle. Let us name this ABC. Okay, we know this is 90 degree. Now angle B is 90 degree. The side which is opposite to 90 degree, that is always which side? That is hypotenuse side. Now we have other two angles. These are the reference angles. We can take any one as theta. Okay, to define function ಯಾವುದೋ theta ತಗೊಳ್ಬೋದು. I will take this. Now this is named as theta. Angle C is named as theta here. Now the angle which is opposite or side which is opposite to theta, that side is opposite side. Okay, this is opposite side, and one more angle, this is adjacent side. This is adjacent side. Now let us define trigonometric functions or trigonometric ratios now. Here first one, sin theta. What is sin theta? Sin theta is the ratio of opposite side divided by hypotenuse side. Sin theta equal to opposite by hypotenuse. Next one is cos theta. Cos theta equal to adjacent, or here we can write which is opposite side. Here opposite side is AB divided by hypotenuse side is AC. Okay, one more cos theta. Cos theta is defined as adjacent side. Cos theta means same as cosine theta. Okay, cosine theta vannu cos theta anta bariyudu. Adjacent by hypotenuse. Okay, this is equal to, which is adjacent side here, BC divided by hypotenuse side is AC. Okay, now next one is tangent theta, that can be written as tan theta. There are 6 trigonometric ratios or functions. Tan theta, what is tan theta? Tan theta is equal to sin theta divided by cos theta. At that time hypotenuse cancels here, so that is opposite side divided by adjacent side. What is this equal to? Tan theta equal to opposite by adjacent. Opposite is AB. What is adjacent? Adjacent is BC. Then we have other 3 trigonometric ratios that are the reciprocal of these 3. Okay. Next one is cosecant theta. It can be written as cosec theta. Cosec theta equal to, that is 1 by sin theta. Cosec theta is 1 by sin theta. What is this? 1 by sin theta means reciprocal of this, that is hypotenuse divided by opposite. Hypotenuse is AC divided by AB. You have to remember this. Cosec theta is equal to 1 by sin theta. Next one is secant theta. Secant theta is the reciprocal of cos theta, that is 1 by cos theta. What is this equal to? Reciprocal of this, here hypotenuse divided by adjacent side. We can write that as, here hypotenuse is AC divided by adjacent is BC. One more is cot theta. Cot theta is reciprocal of tan theta, that can be written as 1 by tan theta, or we can write cos theta by sin theta also. Okay, cot theta, that is 1 by tan theta, or we can write this as cos theta divided by sin theta also here. Okay, or reciprocal of this, that is adjacent side by opposite side. This is cot theta. What is this equal to? This is equal to adjacent is BC divided by opposite, that is AB. These are the 6 trigonometric ratios or trigonometric functions. Sin theta, opposite by hypotenuse. Cos theta, adjacent by hypotenuse. Tan theta, opposite side by adjacent side. Cosecant theta, that is 1 by sin theta. Secant theta, that is 1 by cos theta. Cot theta, that is 1 by tan theta. Okay. Now you have studied that standard angles also. What are the standard angles? 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. ಇದರ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಲ್ಲ, ನೆನಪು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೊಮ್ಮೆ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ರೀಕಾಲ್. sin theta value, cos theta and tan theta value. Okay. What is sin 0? Sin 0, these are the theta values. Okay. Sin 0 is 0. Next sin 30 degree. Sin 30 degree is 1 by 2. Sin 45, 1 by root 2. Sin 60 degree, root 3 by 2 sin 90 degree is 1. Next cos theta, cos 0 is 1, cos 30 degree, that is root 3 by 2, cos 45 same value 1 by root 2, cos 60 1 by 2, cos 90 0. Okay. Next tan theta value, tan theta is sin theta by cos theta, 0 divided by 1 is 0. Again tan 30 degree, 1 by 2 divided by root 3 by 2, ಅಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಈಸ್ 1 by root 3. One more here, tan 45 degree, half cancel agi 1, then tan 60 degree, root 3 by 2 divided by 1 by 2, 2 cancel ಆಗ್ತದೆ, root 3 ಉಳಿತದೆ. One more tan 90 degree, tan 90 degree is 1 by 0, that is not defined. Okay, here standard angles. Now ನೆನಪಿಲ್ಲದಿದ್ದರೆ ತಲೆಬಿಸಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ, ಪುನಃ ಶುರುವಿಂದ ಕಲೀಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಕುಂಟಿಲ್ಲಿ. ಇದು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ರಿಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಸ್ಟಡಿಡ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಅರ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್, ಅಂದರೆ 10th ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಿ, ಅದನ್ನು ರಿಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು ಹಿಯರ್ ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದಿಸ್ 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree, ಅಂದರೆ that are the angles. Okay, now now here 0 degree, 30 degree ಹೀಗೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳೋದು, that is the angle. Here ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್. ಆಂಗಲ್, ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಆನ್ ಆಂಗಲ್? ಆಂಗಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅಂತ, ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಆನ್ ಆಂಗಲ್? ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯು ಸೇ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೀನ್ ಬೈ ಆನ್ ಆಂಗಲ್? Angle means, angle is a, suppose this is one given ray. Okay, let us take OA is the given ray. Now angle means measure of rotation of a given ray about its initial point. Suppose ಈಗ OA ಒಂದು initial ray, ಇದು rotate ಆಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದರೆ, okay, it makes an angle here, correct? Rotation of a given ray about its initial point, that is called as an angle. Angle is a measure of rotation of a ray about its initial point, that is called as an angle. OA, let us take this as point B. This is the original ray, here this one original ray, here this is called, this side is called initial side, this is the initial side. Then here final position of a ray after its rotation, that is called as terminal side. Okay, This is the terminal side. Angle means it is a measure of rotation of a ray about its initial point. That original ray, that side is called as initial side. Final position of a ray after its rotation, that is called as terminal side. Point of rotation, this is called as vertex. Okay, this is called as vertex. Here angle means amount of rotation. Here it measures the amount of rotation from the initial side to terminal side. Here rotate aguva ray, here it may be, suppose this is the ray OA, it can rotate like this. Okay, it will be OB, same as this. Suppose this is OA, here it can rotate like this also. Okay, it can be taken as B. Here this rotates anti-clockwise direction, idu anti-clockwise direction. If a ray rotates in anti-clockwise direction, then angle is positive. Angle can be measured as positive, that is positive angle. If a ray rotates in clockwise direction, clockwise direction alli rotate adre, then angle can be measured as negative. Here it can be named as theta. This is the positive angle. We can take that as theta. Clockwise direction alli hodre angle is negative, so we can name here as minus theta. This is negative angle. Okay, this is negative angle. Clockwise direction anta helidre clock rotate aguva alli clockwise direction. This is anti-clockwise direction. Anti-clockwise direction alli angle is always positive. If ray rotates clockwise direction, angle is always negative. Okay, this is negative angle. Now here, suppose this is OA. Okay, this is the initial side. This is the initial side. If it rotates like this and ends here, now this same side, this will be terminal side. Okay, this is terminal side. This full rotation, this is called as one revolution. One revolution. Here ray which initial side terminal side eradu onde position ge bandre, that is one complete revolution. Okay, that is one complete revolution. Okay, now how to measure this rotation? Rotation athava angle, here measure of, or here rotation, amount of rotation performed by a ray from initial side to terminal side, that is same as an angle. Now how to measure these angles? Angles measurement, here we have two measures here. Measure of an angle, two measures, one is degree measure, another one is radian measure. Illi let us study first one, that is degree measure. Degree measure already ಗೊತ್ತುಂಟು ನಿಮಗೆ. ಈಗ ನಾವು ಮೆಷರ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಈಗ 0 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ, 30 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ, 90 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ, ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಡಿಗ್ರೀಸಲ್ಲಿ ಮೆಷರ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ 2 ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೆಷರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್, 2 units. One is degree measure, another one is radian measure. First one is degree measure. Okay, here one complete here. Suppose this is OA, one complete revolution here. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆದ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಎಂಡ್ ಆದರೆ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಒನ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ರಿವಲ್ಯೂಷನ್. ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಡಿಗ್ರೀಸ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಮೇಕ್? ಇಟ್ ಮೇಕ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಆಫ್ 360 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ. ಒಂದು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ರಿವಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು 360 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ. ಹಿಯರ್ ಹೌ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ವಿ ಡಿಫೈನ್ 1 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ? 1 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಮೆಷರ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಹೇಗೆ? ಫುಲ್ 360 ಒಂದು ಪಾರ್ಟ್. Okay, here 1 by 360th of a degree is called as 1 unit. Okay, here sorry, that is 1 degree. 1 by 360th of a degree, 360th alli ಒಂದು part. Okay, that is named as 1 degree. Here 1 by 360th of a revolution is called 1 degree. Degree idu symbol 1 degree. Okay, 1 by 360th of a revolution is called as 1 degree. Now 1 degree is divided into 60 minutes. 1 degree is divided into 60 minutes and minute notation idu 60 minute. Okay, now 1 minute is divided into 60 seconds. Okay, 1 by 360th of a revolution is called as 1 degree. 1 degree here 1 degree is divided into 60 minutes. 1 minute is divided into 60 seconds. Now how can we define 1 minute? 1 minute means that is 1 by 60th of a degree. 1 by 60th of a degree. Total 1 ಡಿಗ್ರಿಯನ್ನು 60 ಮಿನಿಟ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಪಾರ್ಟ್. Okay, 1 by 60th of a degree is called as 1 minute, and 1 by 60th of a minute, 1 by 60th of a minute is called 1 second. Now 1 by 360th of a revolution is called as 1 degree. ಇದು ನೆನಪಿರಲಿ, 1 degree is divided into 60 minutes. 1 minute is divided into 60 seconds. Okay, this is about degree measure. One more we have, that is radian measure. Radian measure, or we can say this is the circular measure. Okay, ಅಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮೆಷರ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಹಿಯರ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಎ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಸರ್ಕಲ್. Consider a unit circle. This is, let us take this as center of a circle. take any point, it can be taken as OA. What is the radius of the circle here? Radius of a circle is 1 unit, because we have considered here unit circle. Okay, consider a unit circle. Here radian measure is 1 unit of measurement of an angle. This is the another unit of measurement. One is degree measure and another one is radian measure. We have two measures to study here. Consider a unit circle. Okay, angle here radian means, radian measure means, or 1 radian means angle subtended at the center by an arc of length 1 unit. Iga idu OA. This is the arc of length. Okay, arc of length. Suppose this is the initial ray. Okay, initial ray, if it rotates 1 unit, here 1 unit rotate adre, it will be stop here. Okay, join now, it may be point B. Now angle here, angle subtended at the center by an arc of length 1 unit is named as 1 radian. This is the circular measurement. Here angle subtended at the center by an arc of length 1 unit is named as 1 radian. Idu radian symbol. Here 1 radian, it can be written as 1 C. That is the symbol 1 radian. We have to consider unit circle here. Angle subtended at the center by an arc of length 1 unit is named as 1 radian. Okay. Ega suppose consider a unit circle. Okay, this is the center of the circle. Let us take that as O. This is the initial ray. We can say that as OA. If it rotates 1.5 unit somewhere here, let us take that as B. Okay, this is 1.5 unit. Angle subtended at the center by an arc of length. Here 1.5 unit it rotated here. So here angle measurement is also 1.5 radian. Angle subtended at the center by an arc of length. Okay, arc of length 1 unit, that is called as 1 radian. If it is 1.5, we can say 1.5 degree, or suppose this is 2 units, here radian will be 2 radians. This is similarly, if you take this as the center of the circle, OA is the initial ray. If it rotates 1 unit in clockwise direction, okay, clockwise direction, here if it rotates like this ray rotates clockwise direction up to here, this is 1 unit. Now what is the angle here? If it is clockwise direction, angle is always negative. So here we can say this as minus 1 radian. If it rotates 2 units, angle will be minus 2 radian. 3 radian andre minus 3 radian, like that. Now in general we have one relation. Suppose arc of length, let us say theta be the angle, theta be an angle subtended at the center, and L be arc of length LB arc of length and R be the radius of the circle. R be the radius of the circle. Now we have one relation. Angle theta, that is always is equal to, say, in a unit circle, length of an arc is directly proportional to theta. Okay, so angle subtended at the center by an arc of length. So here, so theta is equal to, we have the relation that is L divided by R. We can verify that if length of an arc is 1 unit, unit circle 1 by 1 equal to 1 radian. One more, if arc of length is 2 units, arc of length 2 units andre 2 by 1 is 2 radian. Here, now this expression can also be written as theta equal to L by R. What is L? L is equal to R theta. This is one important relation. L, arc of length, R is the radius of the circle, theta is an angle subtended at the center. So we can use this formula only when theta should be in radian measure. Theta radian measure alidre matra ee relation use ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Suppose degree alli kotre we need to convert into radian, then we have to use the formula. Ee formula important. L is equal to R theta, where L is the length of an arc or arc length, R is the radius of the circle and theta is the angle subtended at the center. Okay, now theta should be in radian. One more, suppose ಈಗ if you consider a circle, consider a circle with the center O. If it is OA, okay, how many radian if it rotates one complete rotation, one complete revolution adre how many radian it will take? What is the circumference of a triangle? Sorry, what is the circumference of a circle? Circumference of a circle is 2 pi r, correct? Now we are considering unit circle here. So radius is 1 unit. So what is the circumference will be? Circumference is here r1 adre, because now unit circle consider madudilli, so it will be 2 pi. So here for one complete revolution, here, okay, one complete rotation, it will take 2 pi radian. Okay, for one complete rotation, one complete revolution, here angle subtended at the center is 2 pi radian, that is 2 pi radian. Okay, one more point, relationship between radian and real numbers, radian measure and real numbers. See, consider a unit circle with center O, take initial ray, or here take one tangent line, okay, take this point as A, okay, here this is the tangent line, take this as origin, okay. ಈಗ ಒಂದು ರಿಯಲ್ ಲೈನ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ರೇಡಿಯನ್ಗೆ ಮತ್ತು ರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ಗೆ ಅಂತ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಅಂತ ನೋಡೋದು. ಹಿಯರ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎಬೋವ್ ದ ಲೈನ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ 1 2. ಹಿಯರ್ ಇದನ್ನು ಒರಿಜಿನ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಓಕೆ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ 0 ಹಿಯರ್ 1 2 3 4 so on. What about this side? -1 -2 -3 -4 -5 so on. ಈಗ if a ray rotates 1 unit we can say that as 1 radian. 2 ಯೂನಿಟಿಗೆ ಹೋದರೆ 2 ರೇಡಿಯನ್, 3ಗೆ ಹೋದರೆ 3 ರೇಡಿಯನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದು. ರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರಲ್ಲಿಯೂ ನಾವು 1 2 3 4 so on we have numbers. If ಆ್ಯಂಟಿ ಕ್ಲಾಕ್ವೈಸ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋದರೆ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್, ಇಫ್ ವಿ ಗೋ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಕ್ಲಾಕ್ವೈಸ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋದರೆ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್. ಅಂದರೆ ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಆದರೆ 1 ಯೂನಿಟಿಗೆ ಬಂದರೆ ಲೈನ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸೇ ದಟ್ ಆಸ್ -1 ರೇಡಿಯನ್, -2 ರೇಡಿಯನ್, -3 ರೇಡಿಯನ್ so on. So here if we rope this like here, ಇದನ್ನು ಸರ್ಕಲಿನ ಹಾಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ರಿಯಲ್ ನಾನು ದ ರೇಡಿಯನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಬೋತ್ 1 ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸೇಮ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇದು ಗ್ರಾಫಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. ರೇಡಿಯನ್ ಮೆಷರ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ನೆನಪಿದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು. ರೇಡಿಯನ್ ಮೆಷರ್ ಮತ್ತು ರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಅದು ರೇಡಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ 1 ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇವತ್ತಿದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೊಂದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. L is equal to R theta. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಮೆಷರಲ್ಲಿ ಓಕೆ 1/360th of a revolution is 1 degree. 1 degree is divided into 60 minutes. 1 minute is divided into 60 seconds. Then radian measure. Okay. In the next class we will study how to convert radian to degree. We have 2 measures. ಒಂದು ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಮೆಷರ್, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ರೇಡಿಯನ್ ಮೆಷರ್. ರೇಡಿಯನ್ ಮೆಷರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಹೌ ಟು ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಮೆಷರ್, ಆರ್ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಮೆಷರಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ರೇಡಿಯನ್ ಮೆಷರಿಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಹೇಗೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ದಟ್ ಒನ್ ಇನ್ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.